This is only one song. Oh my goodness. Hi. John, yay. So, sasanog. Good morning. It's 4:30 on the way to the airport. We just left Hilton Hotel. On the way na sa bus station going to the airport. Bye!
What's the usual time you go anyway?
Yeah.
The boss is checking. So we are in the airport now, and I'm going to have a free facial before flying to Belfast. See you guys later. Bye. These are all goes for my face. Ang dami. Thank you. Bye bye. We're here now. We just arrived in Belfast. So excited! Belfast, be nice to us. See you, bye. Welcome to Belfast. Is it the cost of banana? We got to stop there. It's from dog. Hello, hello. My God. Mommy Alice.
One eternity later.
Housekeeping. My luggage.
The next day.
So we just finished cleaning. Wow, nice bathroom. Like... Hello, done na po yung breakfast niyo, madam. Good morning. Breakfast time.
Hi.
Good morning.
They call it rashers. Bacon.
Bacon, okay, and bread. That's all. Good morning. Oh, it's cold here in Ireland, Belfast.
No, it's not cold at all.
For me, it's cold. So we are ready now. So where are we going? Where are we going?
We're going to Belfast, the town city center.
Okay. See you.
Okay, come on.
Let's go. Where's the Catty? Bye-bye. See you later. Meow meow. Yeah. It's with me, yeah. Oh, I love countryside. Woohoo! Nice weather today, yeah?
Ganda dito. This one, I don't know what's the meaning.
So we are now in the center ng Belfast. This is only 30 minutes from my friend's Melody place. So it's really nice here. We are just going here to visit a little bit. And then after that, we are going to pass by the Asian supermarket. One of the biggest Asian supermarket here, and only one Asian supermarket. The biggest one.
One eternity later.
Leon, you look different. You're so handsome. Oh my goodness.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Where did you do that?
We did it up in New York.
Oh my god, this is like a reunion after a decade.
A decade, isn't it?
Yeah, more than that maybe?
Wow.
Still a boy.
Well, no, not really. Us.
Oh, you don't
have. We're
I have the little
Yes,
stuff
us.
I shaved.
Yeah, more than a decade, like 13 years, 15 years. Like what? Decade, yeah. 11 years, yeah. It's like a reunion here. We are here. Hi. Hi. Yeah, it's fine here. Let's go. Leon, say hi.
Excited with Ria's vlog.
Miss Bags.
A few moments later.
Let's go.
Parking muna na.
Woo, dusty.
Ilagay ko na yung ano mo.
So we are here in one only Asian supermarket here sa Belfast, Ireland. This is only one Asian supermarket, Asian here sa Belfast.
One of it, the biggest.
The biggest one.
But there's no spaces.
Oh, I love Korean. Oh, ang daming Korean noodles. Wow. Wow. How much is... No, it's not mura. It's expensive. Oh yeah, it's £1. It's 4 real. So it's cheap one. Melay, I'm bringing this kimchi in Qatar. It's okay, right?
Yes, okay lang yan.
So ganito talaga yung mga Pinoy, no? Once lang na magkita-kita and we decided to cook a Filipino food. Diba? Ang saya. Oh, mochi. I love that mochi. Wow. So many. Eto, we just came back from Galabanting ba sa city. So yesterday, I was the chef. Nagluto ako ng banana fritters and pancit. Today, sila naman yung chef. So, Ate Alice is going to cook pinakbet from Ilocano. Ilocos. From Ilocos region. Yay! So, I'm so excited kasi my favorites are all the vegetables. Yay, yay, yay. And from Davao is...
Davao region.
Is what? Biko. Yay! Too much food. Yay, yay, yay. Wow, looks nice. Ang dami, sarap-sarap. Then, Mel, she's a singer, so she's in charge of karaoke. Without karaoke, Barkada is not complete, yeah?
Ready?
Yay, yay!
Set. Go!
Go! How are you? What's your name? 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 Come now, let's go, let's go. Yeah, come. This is the barn, and the barn is there, and this is the farm. This is the. This is the bar.
3 years ago, we are here.
Yes, this was...
Welcome to the bar. Oh wow, this is how you make the biko.
Yeah, this is
Biko is the Davao, yeah?
Yeah, Biko from Davao.
Yay.
No? Ow, look! With patis. This one.
Lalo mo si Almanash.
This is our pudding.
So we're going to eat first. See you guys later. Bye. Cheers. Thank you for inviting us and welcome to our reunion. From the Doha girls.
2025.
Dubai and Abu Dhabi was it or Kuwait with you?
Yes.
Cheers.
First
Proper meal here. Yay. Woo. Thank you. Thank you.
I want to try this one.
That one is from SNR, garlic chili.
What's SNR?
What's SNR?
It's like yung a big grocery from American, imported from America.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, right, okay. But I want to try.
Okay, who wants red wine? Judy?
That's my sad from this bad. I could cry if I speak. Give me more mortality. I'll make the journey to eternity. I keep the memory of you and me. I'm sorry I don't have a role I'd love to play. Having over my heart, I'll find my way. I will make the be. Remind us how we used to be. So long ago, never to walk in any worse. I found the great love all over your face is driving me wild.
For sure, that's what friends are for. That's what friends are for. Smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for.
2 seconds later.
Find your strength in love. Woohoo! Bravo!
One eternity later.
Good morning. Wow. Look at the sunrise.